Hello and welcome. This 5 amp battery on the face of it looks okay, but I just opened it and discovered it's a fake. If we look at the outside, it's an 18 volt, which is a European measurement of the voltage. If you know, you know. But it's got a number here says 1-800 Dewalt. That's more of an American phone number. So that's bullshit to start with. But if you do open it, it's got a genuine board, and I think this is actually a genuine board that they've reused. There should be some heat protection here. That soldering is a bit messy for factory solder, you know, it's not. And I'll pull out the cells to show you it there. Bear in mind this is stamped as a 5 amp. Right, with this out of the packet, if I look at the cells, these cells are disconnected. The spot welds look fairly close to what would be nearly original sort of standard, even though one of them's let go. The spot weld has let go. These cells are remarkably Samsung, but they're 20 Qs. They should be 20 Rs. I'm amazed that they've used Samsung cells, but these are not the best ones you could use, to be quite honest with you. But bear in mind, this is a 5 amp battery. A 5 amp battery would have a 25R, which is a 2500 milliamp cells. These are 2000 milliamp cells, which makes this in reality a 4 ampere and not just quite up to the standard. This is the best fake battery I've seen, but it's still not there. They've used a lot of original components. So if you like that video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.